My name is Prasant Singh. I will be talking about the applications of DMAIC in Six Sigma project at 3M to drive quality and operational excellence. Our company is 3M and I have taken the introductory slide. So I will be giving an overview of 3M. So basically 3M stands for Minnesota Mining and Manufacturing. Uh, Talking about that in how many countries they operate. So they operate in 73 plus countries, and if we talk about the product portfolio, so they have 60,000 plus product. They also provide solutions in healthcare, safety, electronics, transportation, and more. They have also implemented total quality management and Six Sigma methodologies for operational excellence. They are also committed to reducing waste, improving energy efficiency, and driving sustainable practices globally. Why DMAC? So because they have structured data driven methodology. Also this aim to solve complex issues, quality issues. So DMAC help in that. And if you talk about the objective, so basically that demonstrate the practical applications of DMAC at 3M and its impact on operations and customer satisfaction. Thank you.
So before moving forward to this video, let's understand what do you mean by DMAIC. So DMAIC is basically a part of Six Sigma, and it is a step-by-step process to improve the process or to improve the quality of the product and increase the revenue from the company for the company and reduce the wastage. So D standouts to be defined. So firstly, we have to define our problem statement, and accordingly we have to set our goals. The second one is the measure. In this, we should have to extract some data so that we can know about the situation, how bad the situation is. The next one is the analysis. So in analysis, we have to analyze the data that we have occurred in the measured section, and accordingly we have to set our goal. And the next one is to improve. In this, we have to implement the solution to the root cause that we have measured in the analysis section. And the last one is the control. So in this, we have to control the overall process by seeing the process and giving training to the people.
Hi, I'm Soumya Saravani, and now I will further talk about the DMAIC implementation at 3M. So, if we talk about DMAIC implementation, starting with the define phase, the problem is identified in the project boundaries and objectives. So, if we talk about the 3M, particularly in the company 3M, they identify the issues of the adhesive tapes they have been facing in the manufacturing, which had a around 8% defected, which led to 1.2 million annual loss. The further measure phase is done regarding the data is collected through defect rates and annual the rates through which data is collected, and further in the analyze phase through the use of various tools like statistical tools and process mapping. Like in the 3M, the company used tools like Ishika diagrams or Pareto charts to identify the issues. Like they identify the main issue was the variability in raw materials, and the further second issue they found was the lack of standardized processes they have been facing. Further in the improve phase to after finding out the problems, actions is taken regarding the actions which 3M take was like they sourced higher quality raw materials. They should source higher quality raw materials, and they should standardize their process and SOPs, which resulted in the defector drop, which resulted as in the defect rate dropped to 3% in 4 months particularly. And in the last phase, which is the control phase, through various SPC charts and statistical tools, that also pilot test is run whether the actions has been taken, whether it has been successful or not, and in all of this is checked in control phase. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ashwani Kumar. So I will be telling you about the various recent stories and the problem which the 3M brand has been improved by implementing DMAC. I will be talking about basically the two products, that is N95 respirator, and the second one is adhesive tape. So talking about N95 respirator, when the pandemic hit, 3M was able to produce around 1.2 billions of unit per year. But after implementing DMAC in the measure phase, they found out that there was a shortage of raw material. In improve phase, they improved their supply chain management. So in 6 months, they were able to convert around 1.1 billion to 2.1 billion within 6 months. So it was basically a good efficiency, and the production was also good. So talking about the sustainability, we can say that we have found out that 3M has already reduced its adhesive waste production of around 20%. So talking about my learning, I have learned about various structured problem solution with three in 3M using the DMAIC, and also learn about how the DMAIC is being implemented and all the basic knowledge and innovation which we have got from this project.
My name is Manik. Now I'll talk about the recommendations for 3M. So first is integrate IoT and real data time analytics. So with the help of IoT system and IoT based enable sensors, 3M can increase its operational excellence. How it can increase its operational excellence? So they can put the IoT based sensor at every step of production line. So let's take the example of adhesive tape. So if the glue is hot or thick at any point of the production line, so they can, with the help of real-time data analytics, will get the centralized data of every on the every part of the production line. So it can be computer or can be anything. So with the help of that, we can able to rectify that error in a short time. But if there is no IoT based systems, then the human if the IoT system is integrated, then the human intervention will be less, the operational excellence will be more, and also it would provide lesser error to the 3M. So next is gamify elements for the employees in the DMAC training. So employees can also for the purpose of engaging more with the employees, 3M can implement the gamify elements in their practice. Like they can create a leaderboards where they can put the profiles of their employees, so they can find a healthy competition among each other in learning the DMAC principles. Although the 3M can start a simulation workshop or set up a virtual factory where they have put all their employees so to check what they have learned in the DMAC and how they are implementing that. So through this, the employee engagement will be more, and the leader, with the help of leaderboard and ranking, employees will also enjoy learning into this DMAC demining principles. The last one is the strengthen supplier relationship. So in this, 3M can improve the relationship with their suppliers, as there is a vast number of suppliers with the 3M. So they can build more relation with or strengthen their relationship with the supplier by aligning them with the DMAC principles. As supplier is only dealing in supplying the raw materials, so they can align them into their role. So at every stage of the DMAC, they would collaborate and find the major root cause of the problem. So if at any point, so through that they can further do the modifications in the raw material, whatever they are providing to the 3M. So through this, there are lesser number of errors, and the supplier relationship would be more strengthened. Thank you.